Hey group, as you finalize your book, yes, I mean that you are finishing up your Holocaust book, you need to be mindful of new or unfamiliar words that you have come across. What you're going to do is select 25 words that are new or unfamiliar, or perhaps they're words that you do know, but they are used in new and interesting ways, and you are going to complete this template. So let's go through this template real quick just to make sure there's no confusion. In the very middle, you're going to put the word. Up here, you will define it. Make sure it's a definition that is, first of all, correct, and second of all, it makes sense to you. It needs to be a word, or I'm sorry, it needs to be defined in a way that you understand. Then you will use the word correctly in a sentence. If you prefer to use the sentence from the book, that's fine as well, as so long as the sentence contains a context clue. Over here, tell me what part of speech. So is it a noun? Is it an adjective? Is it a proper noun? What is it? Tell me a synonym, so it means the same. Tell me an antonym, which means the opposite. I would suggest that you use dictionary.com to finish this part. And then lastly, you will put an image over here. Oh goodness, there's a typo. Should say copy and paste. I'll fix that for your template. But copy and paste an image that correlates to that word here. Keep in mind that it needs to be something appropriate and not too revealing. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll talk to you later. Bye.